See, here's I, not very book.
Red lines on the road.
No cap, I'm in a guinea, if in the rap, this ain't a gimme, I had a trap, now I got plenty, I'm in a castle, in a genie, I bought the castle, she wanna wrestle, I ain't got tackle, drunk on the Henny, head to the saddle, I had to handle, I'm about to smack him, broke on the fanny, I put 412s in the V12, my in the trunk, starting around, she said she smell, I'm doing well, when I wanna it don't matter, Jim and shot, I'm not a well, into my cup, in my bladder, I got it on lock, like I'm in jail, as soon as they buck, they getting splattered, I'm out there dropping no, I cannot talk, coming straight to the top like a ladder. Placed up and they talk on the internet, but they ain't never gonna hit them. I took a loss and they made me a boss, like I'm look, I'm no better than them. I'm better. They call you the Fabi Scotty when I cough and I'm trying to get higher enough. Getting high in the sky, boss, I can see it. High spot, in this plush, die, and it's the Smooth drop, Gucci sauce, got them dripping. Cops, we can't be stopped, just admit it. Paint the town, baseline committed. Bloodhound, cold hard criminal. Best spot, we got all the vibes with it. Head start, you can't catch us, so forget it.
Switch up, see the bigger picture.
It's Ricky Smiley Morning Show. Exposed.
Hey, this is Gary with the T. I'm from the Ricky Smiley Morning Show. Now, you know, there's one thing that Ricky them always tease me about, and that's about being cheap. Now, I don't like the word cheap because, honey, I just like to make sure I watch my dollars spent. I'll go to a consignment store, baby, and I'm going to go get you the last designer outfit. Well, a girl may have already worn it once, and I can wear it for a lifetime. Because who knows, honey? Who knows you wearing those doggone Gucci shoes, honey, that they're used. So listen to me, Gary with the T, every weekday morning on the Ricky Smiley Morning Show, and you too, honey, could be fabulous at an economical price.
It's Ricky Smiley Morning Show
on Z93 Jams.
Life gets disrupted when your car breaks down. Let Bear HFCU minimize the disruption. Bear has the funds you need at competitive low rates. Call them 843-820-6070 or online at bearhfcu.com.
The South Carolina Department of Corrections is hiring correctional officers. No experience needed, just a high school diploma or GED. Paid overtime, group health insurance, and 15 days of annual and sick leave. Apply at doc.sc.gov or call 803-734-JOBS.
Lowe's is one step ahead of you when it comes to getting exactly what you need to make your spring projects a success. Stop in today and find everything you need in stock now and at everyday savings, like Miracle Grow all-purpose garden soil for just $4.28 a bag. And load up on premium color mulch with guaranteed color that lasts for 12 months for just $3.68 a bag. Whatever projects you have popping up on your to-do list this spring, do it right for less. Start with Lowe's. Selection varies by location while supplies last. U.S. only.
There are everyday actions to help prevent the spread of respiratory diseases. Wash your hands. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Stay home when you are sick. Cover your cough or sneeze. Clean and disinfect frequently touched objects with household cleaning spray. For more information, visit cdc.gov/COVID-19. This message brought to you by the National Association of Broadcasters and this station.
South Carolina, welcome to More Than Enough Reason with Geico. You're eating spicy food and start to get that prickly feeling on your tongue.
Oh, this has a kick.
You have more than enough reason to pump the brakes. But no, nothing's gonna hold you back now.
This is good. A lot, but good.
You've also got more than enough reason to switch to Geico. Because with Geico, you've got the ability to reach an agent for help 24/7. Unlike your ability to get more water at this restaurant.
Yeah, you can just leave the pitcher this time.
And even though you regret overlooking the 4 little peppers next to your dish on the menu, you'll never feel overlooked with Geico. Because they're available 24/7. Maybe that's why they've got a 97% customer satisfaction rating.
Oh, Wow.
So, South Carolina, while you're trying to look composed with a mouthful of ice cubes as you fan yourself with the drink menu, you can feel relieved knowing Geico helps with homeowners and renters insurance through the Geico Insurance Agency, too.
Geico. More reasons than ever to switch today over the phone at your local office or at geico.com.
It's here. The 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. The truck you've always wanted. Now with an offer you'd never expect. For a limited time, get a Carolina leather and liner package valued at $2,244 at no extra charge on select F-150 XLTs. That's a premium
Huh.
Check my camera. Everything seems going good.
And you hating assholes in the comments, y'all can't even afford one of these fingers. So I don't want to hear it without that cap ass shit.
I got question. Bitch, $1 million nails. Do you know you got a trash bag on? You got a 1997 Missy Elliott outfit on. Talking about $1 million nails. Talking about you got $1 million nails on? Like, bitch, you can't even spell million. Talking about, bitch, you can't even afford one of these. I can get a 20-pack of those at the Peddler's Mall for $3.70.
Drugs, I'm thinking to put my little brother on mud. Time and pain and rain bring mud. I'm thankful my mom never give up on us. I miss my nigga, see what's up with that bait. Look in your traps, point to the sink. What a love, being blind to that. Back go see the badly house thing. Now with the money, it seem like the dish is so traumatizing. Having a bitch, been out of y'all dealing with my bitch. Get the trick on daddy. And I just wanna walk with not a grip with my dog. And let them know that real niggas don't die. Nobody got my back like my dog. Big blunts in the Mary Jane, it was a thing.
We're gonna rep. No, we can play our room. That's our favorite. We can make a playroom for us. So we have our playground and our start. That's my hat and my shirt.
Not bad.
$3.73 at my place. You can't afford these. No cat ass shit. I don't know what cat shit's got to do with it.
The fuck I'm going.
Oh.